Hey guys, George here with Roofgraf. Welcome to the first in a series of training videos. We're going to help you guys get up to speed using the tool in the sequence of videos. The first one we'll look at today is just a general tour of the software. So once you've logged into your account, you can do that through your web browser at this address here, app.roofgraf.com. This will work on all devices. I would recommend Google Chrome for the fastest performance of the software. Any browser will work, but Google Chrome is best. So over to app.roofgraf.com. You can enter your email and password, obviously save those in Chrome, and you'll land directly here on the jobs page. So just starting on this page here, this is essentially a way for you guys just to track all of the jobs that you're working on in Roofgraf. So you can either search for a client's name or address up the top. You can filter these out by the different users that have created projects on the account. Or which user it has been assigned to, or you can also filter them out by the status of the job as well. So at the moment, by default, we show all of the different statuses of each job, except for archived, of course. If you wanted to see a project that was archived, simply untick the all button. There you are. Bear with me, my internet's... There we go. And then we can select archived, and that will just show us those projects that we're no longer working on, but obviously we may want to revisit at a later time. So next up, you've got your map view directly below. So this essentially shows you the geographical location of every single job that you've entered into the software. So obviously mine are spread out all over the US. So this is a demonstration account that I use to introduce people to the software. Yours will most likely be much more zoomed in on a particular area that you service. Now the color of each pin, guys, tells you the stage at which each job is at any given time. So you can see the kind of chronology that we follow here on the right hand side. A new project, as soon as it's created in Roofgraf, will land here as a quote in progress, so that will be flagged in red. Once you've sent that proposal over to the customer, or if you've presented it in person and marked that project as sent, it will appear in green. And then so on and so forth, all the way through to this paid button or paid option there in the light blue colour. So you can just kind of review that. Generally, my advice is to probably check that once or twice a day. If you do see a lot of red pins in here, you know that these are projects you've got to continue working on, or go back to, perhaps mark it as lost, or if it did move forward, maybe one, or just kind of keep those updated. Like I say, just really a way primarily for the management team here, just to make sure that every project is being followed up on, and we're not entering, say, a lead into the system, creating a project for them, and then completely forgetting about them at a later time. So that's your map view. Now below that you have a list of the most recent jobs you've worked on, so you'll see the date that those projects were created on the right hand side, and then from here just some basic details, whether it's a proposal or a square project. We'll cover square projects in a separate video, and then obviously some basic contact details and address for that customer. Now that's it for the jobs page. In the next video we'll start having a look at our templates.